Here's the video for the 2023 EV6 GT-Line. With this being GT-Line, it is top of the line. Charge port, cargo cover, the rear seats are going to be heated. You do have upgrade sound system. USBs built into the chairs of the front seat. You have the folding mirror, memory seats. These seats are going to be heated and ventilated, and these are the white seat package for the GT line, which is an added package. As you can see, has ventilated heating steering wheel, heated seats, USB with a ton of space below, wireless charging, heads-up display. This car also does have the surround view monitor and the blind spot rear monitor. The steering wheel is also heated.